What's up, everybody? I'm Albie13. Okay, look, this is PiDog. I went on Amazon like I usually do, and I looked up robot dog or whatever I did, robot, small robot, personal robot. And this dog basically has, it's pretty simple. I mean, it's 179 priced, so what I see is like a Raspberry Pi on the back, which is cool. It's a kit, you know. Uh I think the body could be a little bit more sophisticated instead of just flat surfaced built, but it's a little bit more of a project uh, robot than a actual, product robot. But there's all that programming, which is like says, it's worth something, right? It has its sensors and all that, so it reacts and all that stuff. So Sun Founder Group, yeah, they do stuff. So that's that. Just wanted to show that real quick, make a little video. It's kind of like, they're saying you can program it to do stuff or whatever. So it's like it checks a lot of good marks. For 179, it's a little expensive. A little expensive. I think this is probably like more like $100 product, $120 product. But anyway, it's on sale now. So that's cool. I'm just looking around it. There's other stuff, but yeah.